So my name is Lee from Lily's Kitchen, all the way from Australia. Today we're making chicken miglion. Chicken miglion is usually a staple in our butchers here in Australia. It consists of the fried chicken wrapped in bacon with gorgeous garlic butter. So today we're going to make chicken miglion, which is something we see in the butchers all the time in Australia here. So you're going to need some fried chicken fillets, some bacon. I prefer the Batoki brand, which is available here in Australia. It's made in Thomastown, where I used to grow up. And then we've got some garlic butter, which I've just got from the shops. You can also make your own, but I just have that in the fridge already for steaks and everything, so I'm just going to use that. You're also going to need some either skewers or some kitchen twine or something to keep it all together while it's cooking. This one I actually might slice. We might be able to just tuck it in. There we go. Right, so now I'm just going to wrap them up in kitchen twine. Your bacon was a bit thicker, it would probably stick up properly. And that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to cook all of them now. I'm going to keep some in the freezer so that for the days when I'm working and everything, really easy. I can just take them out the freezer, defrost them the night before, and then put the garlic butter on, put them in the oven, and they're ready to go. So I'm going to put 3 of these into the freezer. So put those ones aside. And I'm going to cook these 2 smaller ones. So I've got a bacon tray here. I'm going to line it with some aluminium foil. Just to make life a bit easier when we go to clean it. We're going to put them in here, like so. And then we're going to grab some of our garlic butter, which I've already got this one open, so I'm just going to use this one first. I'm going to put a nice cube of that on top, just like so. Some butchers also put some cheddar cheese on top and cover that in cheddar cheese as well. For this time I won't, but you know, there's an option there. Now I'm going to roast them at about 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now just a word of warning, because of the fried chicken, the bacon may make it look a bit pink, but it should be cooked still. Okay, so just double check it. So I've just took them out and I've just checked them. The juices look a bit pink still. I'm going to put them in for about another 5 minutes. My busy days when I'm working and everything, my meals usually consist of meat and 3 veg. My 3 veg is usually carrots, asparagus, and broccolini. For some reason, I cannot eat broccoli, but I can eat broccolini. So I'm going to have that with our meats for today. So I'll put it for an extra 5 minutes and they look a lot better now. Just grab some tongs. Just don't forget to cut the string off before you go and eat it. And all this goodness of melted butter and everything, I'm going to pour all over our veggies. Don't waste that stuff. Nothing goes to waste. That is a typical meal for me on a weekday when I'm working.